And then
Hello, Pookies.
excuse me? You just
Excuse you.
boys. She's being rude.
No one cares.
Stop interrupting.
Blah, blah.
Anyways, want to introduce ourselves first?
Everyone says sure.
My name is Stacy.
My name is Maya.
Sean,
Coco.
The fuck is that name? Who would the fuck name their daughter Coco? By the way, my name is Queen, the real queen.
Keep on dreaming. You ain't the real queen.
At least my parents didn't name me like a dog.
You're fat.
Yeah, at least it can be fixed. Your face can't.
Get a life.
Like yours? Nah, I think I'll pass.
Ugh. I can't stand you.
Then sit down.
You're short.
Yeah, without S and A. You look like something I drew with my left hand.
You're not funny.
Never said I was. I'm so savage.
Does it look like I care?
You care enough to answer.
You're ugly.
You are useless as white crayon.
You look like.
You look like a snack on tour.
Ugh. Stop talking back.
But babe, that's how a conversation works.
Ugh, I'm done.